This is the WN823N Wi-Fi adapter. Let's see how to install it on Windows 7. First, plug the adapter into the USB port of the PC. After plugging in the adapter, check if it works. If the adapter is still not working, update your drivers. Before updating, you must connect your PC to the internet. If your phone has an internet connection, you can share the internet from your phone to the PC using a USB cable. Open Settings on your phone. Turn on USB tethering from your phone. After turning on USB tethering, the PC will be connected to the internet connection. After connecting your PC to the internet, open an internet browser. Search by typing WN823N driver download. Enter this site. Select your driver version from here. Select the Windows 7 supported version from here and download it. After downloading, click on it. Now extract the file. Now install the driver on your PC. The driver is installing. The driver is now installed on the PC. After installing the driver, disconnect your phone from the PC. Now check if the adapter is working. The adapter is now working, so Wi-Fi is showing on the PC. Now connect your PC to Wi-Fi. The PC is now connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can install the WN823N Wi-Fi adapter on Windows 7.